I'm Professor Jayanta Haldar at New Chemistry Unit at Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research. Our lab is actively involved in developing a different chemical strategy to tackle antimicrobial resistance and infection. And through this Indo-French project, we aim to develop novel peptide or mimetics for treating multi-drug resistant bacterial infection. And along with this developing antimicrobial agents, we also investigate the mechanism of action of these classes of compound, and through this project we like to develop and identify the lead compounds which can be used for treating the bacterial infection. The global problem at this moment, more than 700,000 people are dying every year because of antimicrobial resistance, and it has been estimated that by 2050 more than 10 million people are going to die. And through this project, we like to develop, as I said, the molecules which can treat the drug-resistant bacterial infections. Financial support given by the CEFIPRA was quite helpful. That helps to not only carry out our research, but it helps to travel and visit the collaborative lab where we can have much more interaction with the PI and students. And not only the particular PI and student, but we can have interaction with the other faculty members under the same institute or nearby institute, and that gives the opportunity to have further collaboration. And the students exchange also helps because students can go to the another collaborative lab and learn various experimental and instrumental techniques, and that will help to grow the students. Professor Bechinger and I have been working together for last 7 years, but through this CEFIPRA project, we could bring these two groups together and engage much more detailed and broad spectrum discussion and research. And through this project, we could formulate the path of for a strong and robust collaboration between the two research groups.
Hello, I'm Yash Acharya. I'm a second year PhD student in the Haldar lab. I've been working with the CEFIPRA project ever since it began in 2020. Over the past 1.5 years, through this CEFIPRA project, we have developed a series of amino acid based molecules, characterized them thoroughly through spectroscopic techniques, and then screened them for their antibacterial activity and toxicity towards mammalian cells. Based on the initial screening results, we have identified 2 lead molecules which we have taken further for biological activity studies such as bactericidal kinetics, anti-biofilm activity, activity against dormant bacteria, etc. Concurrently, our collaborators, Professor Bechinger and his group in France, have been working to investigate the detailed mechanisms of these molecules through various biophysical techniques as well as solid-state NMR. Our 2 groups have jointly published initially, and based on those findings, we have conceptualized these projects. Recently, we have also published a manuscript in Advanced Therapeutics based on one of the lead molecules identified from this project. Also, we are getting a lot of interesting data which we are in the process of compiling in the form of 2 manuscripts. Meanwhile, the lead inventions identified in this project are being further studied in both the labs in India and France, and as soon as we get good results, we will be filing for patents at the appropriate stage for the appropriate inventions.
Long live India and France friendship.